Hey y'all, me and my mom decided to make a Nigerian cooking video today, so we're making chicken pepper soup in this part and vegan pepper soup in part 2. For the seasonings, you'll need some ground red pepper or crushed red pepper, and you'll also need some chicken seasoning like chicken bouillon. You can go to the African food store or you can go to the link in our bio to buy the pepper soup seasoning we make. So put your burner on high, add 3 cups of water to a pot, and then you add 1 tablespoon of pepper soup seasoning. Add a tablespoon of ground red pepper, a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Then you take some chicken that's been soaked in salt water for at least 15 minutes and add it to the pot. Next, you want to add some fresh mint and then stir the pot. Cover it up for 10 to 15 minutes before adding some cut potatoes. Then cover it for another 10 to 15 minutes, and that is literally it, guys, and it tastes so good. I would love to see other TikTok chefs recreate this, so please tag them and stay tuned for our vegan version.